Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Singh. So today I am here with my present presentation on IoT-based project home automation. This is basically internship under MX in which I had learned the various tools to make my circuit and also implement that using a various programming languages. So now the table of contents are the about the internship topics what I learned in this internship, what is IoT, what is embedded system, C++ concepts, and also the implementation of the project. So now I am start with my about the internship. It was from the information technology, AMAX technology, was about 4 weeks, and the internship will finally structure and kind of a standard internship. And this internship was like a based project learning and with the implementation. And in this internship, uh, students support uh, were always there through the Moodle LMS learning program, and also the resource were provided to us. And also, there are mainly the weekly tests for the evaluation of the student. And now we will see the project part and the learning parts. There were the two parts of the internship. One was the concept learning, including the C++ programming, OOPS concept, IoT introduction, embedded system workshop, and another is the project part, in which we learn the Arduino programming, simulation apps like PiximLab, Link IoT app, uh, to the final project home automation project. So what is IoT? IoT is basically Internet of Things. Internet means network and things means object, which is basically a combination of objects with the help of network internet. IoT is the network of physical object, basically collection of electronic software, sensors, and network connectivity. And IoT ecosystem of IoT. An IoT ecosystem is made of IoT devices, network, security, gateway, cloud, application, users. These all the sevens are the basic components of an IoT ecosystem. Now, what is embedded system? An embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for the specific function. An embedded system is a computer system which is a combination of processor, memory, input, output, etc. Now, an embedded system. What is the difference between embedded system and IoT? Uh, Basically, an embedded system is the IoT device and the gateway. Whereas embedded system is the processor used, and also the IoT is the components like the network, cloud, applications. Types of embedded system. There are four types of embedded system: real-time embedded system, standalone embedded system, network embedded system, and mobile embedded system. Here are the examples of embedded systems like the mobile phones, watch, and traffic, in which the microprocessor basically is used, routers, mini robots, old telephones, etc., washing machines, etc. Now in C and C programming, we divide into the three parts. First is basics, then intermediate, and then advanced. In basic, we generally learn the variables, keywords, data types, operators, conditionals, and loops. And in intermediates, we learn the arrays, pointer, functions, storage class, files, and preprocessor. In advance, we can see the concepts of OOPs, class, and objects. In OOPs, basically include the abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Now, the about the project, which is home automation. The requirements for the project are the guardian light control, temperature control, heater control, like the threshold temperature control, display water volume, and displaying the progress and notified on the blink app CLCD with automatic detection. Here is a Pixim lab in which we connect through the blink, and blink is basically a mobile app which is connected to the devices that are present in a house. So about the project, in In this, we have used the LEDs, temperature system, serial tank, and Ethernet shield. Here you can see the Arduino Uno is basically the main heart of our project, in which all the programmings were is stored, and also it also provides the power supply to the other components that are connected with this, like the temperature system, Ethernet, shield, LDR, and also the LEDs that are connected to our um, that are connected to our Arduino. And now Arduino Uno is basically based on the ATmega microcontroller. It is easy to compare other boards such as Arduino Mega board. Also, Arduino Uno basically can have a 28 pins, in which there are 6 analog pins, 6 digital pins, 14 digital pins are there. A USB connector, a power jack is there. About the project, as you can see the LED lightings, and here is the temperature system. Uh, they are using the LED light, diode and temperature system, which consists of the heater, cooler, and the temperature sensor ELM. Now here also we are using the liquid crystal display, that is 16 cross 2, and the remote serial tank, which showed us how the tank is full or the volume of the tank. Uh, the tank Ethernet W550. This chip is a hardware PCP IP, that is a protocol embedded Ethernet control, provide a easier connect Ethernet connection to embedded system, and it enables the users to have the internet connectivity in the application just by using the single chip, in which PCP is there. Also, and this physical embedded system support on web and land area network. Speed is variable with the interface. Now we have the LDR, which is a light dependent resistor. We know that LDR is the sequence that light is inversely proportional to resistance. As light increases, then the resistance of layer decreases. Nearly are the component that have the variable resistance that change with the light intensity, and sensor tips. Also, uh, the uh, here we have the PCF 8557, which is microcontroller family, that is bi-direction. Now we are see the project implementation. We are moving toward the project implementation. So here we have the here you can see that we have our we have a display on this, and also here is serial remote tank, and now it is showing that that this temperature of the room is this, and the light is off and on. Also it is the dashboard for the blink cap, and it is also showing that the color button is on, and also we can see that the temperature is 27.7. It is measuring the temperature. Also it is showing that the water level is full. And this is all about how our project work. And now we the conclusion of our project is that we have used the blink IoT application and pixim simulator for making our project, and in which we use the LED temperature sensor and serial tank resembles light heater, cooler, etc. Also, with all this, I learned so much from this internship, and thank you. That's all.